Want restaurant-grade ice at home? Let's chill with the top countertop and commercial ice makers. First, EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker with Auto Cleaning. Approximate $110, $170. Looking for quick, nugget-style or bullet ice without the fuss? The EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker pumps out clear, chewable ice in minutes, and its auto-cleaning cycle keeps everything hygienic, perfect for parties, cocktails, or iced coffee. It's compact, portable, and fast, so you'll have fresh ice on demand without trips to the store. Second, commercial stainless large-capacity freestanding ice maker. Approximate $350, $650. Need heavy daily output for a cafe or busy home bar? This stainless freestanding unit delivers large volumes of ice every day, built for continuous use and easy cleanup. With robust components and fast freeze cycles, it keeps your service smooth and your drinks cold even during peak hours. A solid choice where capacity and reliability matter. Third, EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker with removable basket. Approximate $110, $170. Want portability plus easy access? This EUHOMY model makes bullet or cube ice and includes a removable basket for fast scooping and simple draining. The self-cleaning routine reduces maintenance, and the compact footprint slides onto any counter, ideal for apartments, RVs, or backyard bars when you need ice fast. Fourth, Frigidaire Countertop Compact Ice Machine. Approximate $90, $150. Tight on space but want real ice? The Frigidaire Compact Countertop Machine is small, sleek, and delivers clean little batches of ice without a large footprint. It's stainless trim for durability and perfect for kitchens, offices, or dorm rooms. Easy to run and great for everyday ice drinks. Fifth, Silonn Countertop Self-Cleaning Stainless Ice Maker. Approximate $110, $180. Fast cycles and low maintenance are the name of the game. The Silonn Countertop Ice Maker produces fresh ice quickly, features a self-cleaning mode to keep tastes